Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V the Architect. Today we are looking at how to resize multiple images using Photoshop. Open any image in Photoshop, go to Window, go to Actions, create a new action, name it whatever you want. Then go to Image, Image Size. Let's choose the wide 1500. Choose it pixel, then press OK. After that, stop recording. Close this image, go to File, Scripts, Image Processor, choose the file that you want to resize the images, like this file, then press OK. Save as, I will save it as JPG, the quality is 12, then go to Run Action, then choose the action that you create, Resize, then press Run. It will resize it automatically. Open your file, and here is your JPG.